Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is attribute. It's pronounced at-rib-ute, and it is spelt A-T-T-R-I-B-U-T-E. Think at, then rib, and then ute. Attribute has two meanings. Firstly, it could mean a quality, feature, or characteristic of someone or something. For example, you could say, if you want to be a nurse or doctor, compassion is one attribute you will need. Or attribute can mean to regard something as being caused by someone or something else. For example, I attributed my success in my exams to all the hard work I put in preparing beforehand. The word attribute comes from the Latin attributum, which translates literally as anything attributed. Here's a list of some good attributes to have: ambition, focus, practicality, forgiveness, organization, cheerfulness, generosity, consistency, helpfulness, thoughtfulness, courageousness, and trustworthiness. Attribute can be both a noun and a verb. Can you work out which way attribute is used in the following sentences? Is it a verb, a doing word, or a noun, a thing? The blockbuster movie attributed its success to its director. Which one is it? It's a verb. Did you get it? Alternatively, you could use attribute as a noun and say, she is such a horrible person, I can't think of one positive attribute to describe her. Attribute is defined in the dictionary as a quality or characteristic that someone or something has, or to say or think that something is caused by someone or something else. Attributes synonyms include quality, feature, characteristic, trait, element, ascribe, assign, and credit. Antonyms include disconnect and detach. Look around you now. You might be in your kitchen or even in the car, but look at the people around you and think of one positive attribute each person has. Impress your friends and family by telling them these attributes today. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.